Hello everybody. Well, it snowed. It is -5 degrees out right now. We had a storm come in today and we had about 8 inches of snow come down. So I'm heading out here to the farm. I just shoveled out the snow, the walkway a minute ago, and I kind of peeked in at the worms. But let's go see how they're doing real quick because it's cold. All right, and sorry about the mess. I had to go back to work, so I haven't been able to get out here and keep going on this, but Monday I'll get back onto it. But yeah, it is -5, it's probably -8 degrees, 10 degrees out there right now. It's way colder than when I was at work. So, and this is my only source of heat. So we'll get back to that in a minute. But these worms, let's check on their temp. Cause yeah, it is 13, well, let's see, that's 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the bin. Let's see what the soil is. See if you can see that. And it's the same, 55 degrees. So that's awesome, but they're at 55 degrees. I don't know how cold they can get before they start dying. Yeah, and I haven't watered them today because it is very, very cold, and I don't want to water them when it's this cold because it could just make them colder. Even though the water temperature in that tower is actually about 65 degrees. But I just don't want to do that to them. But they're up and about. I mean, they're not acting like anything's wrong. So, I mean, look at these guys. They're not really, don't seem to be bothered by the temperature. And the baby worms, if you see them, like right here on this one, they're on the plastic where it's the coldest. So, I don't know how cold they can get. If anybody knows, let me know, please. And this heater, this is what I got for heat. It's 13 inches by 13 inches by 13 inches. It's 7,500 watt. It's a Tempware, and it has outperformed every heater I've ever had in this shop. So I got that going, and I got a propane tank over here with 2 little heaters, but I just got one going right now because I'm trying to conserve. That's just a 5-gallon tank, and I'll run it all out in one night with these 2 heaters. So we're just gonna let that one run for a while, and before I go to bed I'll come shut it off. But like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and if anybody's got any information on what kind of temperature they can go down to, please let me know. Thank you very much.